Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. I have recorded so many hauls for you guys. I think I have 5 or 6 vegan hauls ready to go, but I just wanted to jump in before the hauls start and give you a little bit of an intro. So in this series, I'm going to be showing you how I shop for one person or 2 people. So my family household is just me and my son, and even though I call these hauls, it's really not like a ton of food, but it's definitely a way to get some good ideas, especially if you're living a single life like me. And what I'm definitely going to do with this series is I'm going to insert some meal ideas for you guys so you can get more ideas on what to use with the products that you'll be seeing, and you'll see some recipes and some things like that. So I'm going to be inserting those ideas throughout the haul, and I'll also link the video so you can see the full recipe on how to make those ingredients come to life and have an enjoyable recipe with those ingredients. So with that being said, let's get started and let's keep it easy. I picked up this on-the-go trail mix. I like to get this because I like it and my son likes it, so it's really great because we both enjoy it, so it's a really easy buy. I also got a bag of raw cashews, raw walnuts, and raw macadamia nuts. This comes in really handy for different recipes, so because I'm shopping for myself and my son only, I don't need like a whole bag of cashews, a whole bag of macadamia nuts, and a whole bag of walnuts. I can just take out what I need, and then whatever's left, I can snack on it. This was really great in this creamy kelp noodle recipe. It was great because the cashews added texture and extra nutrients, so I'll definitely link the recipe to this creamy cashew kelp noodle recipe so you guys can check that out. Aldi is definitely the master when it comes to inexpensive organics. I've been getting this spring mix for them from about over 3 or 4 years, I'd say. And it usually ranges anywhere from $2.99 to $3.70. I've honestly never ever seen it for anything more than $4. So let me see, I also got these grapes, and we like to pack these in our lunch, so it's another easy buy because I enjoy them and my son enjoys them as well, so we both put them in our lunchbox. I also got those avocados because avocados are life, and I've been really enjoying adding the avocados to smoothies for extra creaminess, so definitely give that a try. I'm adding about half an avocado in replace of banana, and then I'll switch it up between the banana and the avocado for creaminess. I also got some celery. Celery is great, as you all know, for cooking. I also like to snack on those with peanut butter. Got those cucumbers there, picked up 4 of those. And I also got some tomatoes. And then I had to step into Publix to pick up these pie shells. These are actually vegan. They do not contain any animal products, so I'll be using them for my vegan sweet potato pie recipe, and I'll link that too for you guys so that you can check out that recipe. This shopping trip was just under $25, guys, so I did not spend a lot of money on this shopping trip. I had a lot of staples already at home, but I did need some fresh produce and some of the other items that you saw. So I hope you guys got some ideas on some recipes that you can make at home. I'll see you guys in the next video, and definitely check me out on Facebook and Instagram for daily vegan meal ideas over there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.